Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope so you also fine, taking care of yourself, enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy, enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. Today in this video I am going to show you very beautiful, very creative, very demanding ideas of crochet. Bag designs ideas, different style, different design, different color combination in front of you one by one. So don't skip the video, watch video start to end. So viewers, share my video, close friend, relative, family, crochet expert, customer and others. Different people have different choices and they love different color. In this video you will see different decent and unique designs. You can design your bag with using these ideas. Thank you friend for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass crochet bag designs ideas. Hope so you understand all the design, all the ideas used in my YouTube channel. Many different patterns about crochet work, handwork, knitting work. Please visit my channel and see more ideas. And ask in comment section which type of new video, if you more ideas, if you want any confusion and if you want any question about crochet work, you ask me in comment section. Okay viewers, Allah Hafiz.